Oh gosh, my headset's at low
Back to
battery.
another video. Today I'm gonna play Big Scary Monkey Marathon with two of my friends that I recently met. I'll put their YouTube channels right here, and yeah, let's get into it.
If y'all are playing a
To it.
completely different game.
I
think you heard us. Dang, bro, you run fast. I got this game yesterday. Did Blood just say, are we playing Big Scary? No, I said... No, bro, we playing Gorilla Tag. Oh, okay.
Oh, you got this game yesterday? I didn't know that, bro.
I can't catch up. Run! Look, my capybara is still down the hall. I'm running like I'm in Gorilla Tag right now. What the frick? Did Boy just levitate? Where's he at? Where's he at? I hope Tan dies. He's coming. He's coming. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh god. White died. White died. Guys, what happens if we get out? White died. White died.
Oh, you're still alive, bro?
He was just by me.
Oh, frick.
Hey,
Wait, come on.
What do I do? What
Come.
do I do?
No, you can come because you died. You're fine. You can still come out if you died.
Wait, what happened to Tan? Dude, I hit my bed.
No.
I hit my bed.
Yeah, he's always right there for some reason. You can come out. It's okay if you died. He killed you. You can still play. This game is not if you die, you get eliminated. You can come out. Oh, I see you, Drippy. Drippy, I see you. Oh, frick.
I said I was airplane. Come on, guys. Come on.
Let's go. You sure you want to go down there?
No. Oh gosh, my capybara is saying no, don't go down there.
I can hear him.
Where is he? Hey dude, Purple, I just gave my capybara. I just gave my capybara cocaine, and look at what he's doing now.
Run, run. Frick. Frick.
Most save zone, buddy.
I know, I forgot.
Bird is the word. The bird is the word. Hey, so who told you to join this? Who told you to join?
He's on the other side. Run. I just heard him.
Are you player tracking? No. Come on, guys.
I don't even know how to play a track. I'm 10 years old, bro. You think I can know how to do
You're
that?
10 years old and you look like...
Oh my God! No
You should not
way!
be 10 years old with those long arms, bro.
Look, bro, first off, I just extend my arms fully. That, and also,
Hey, bud.
it's not the same as Gorilla Tag. Gorilla Tag.
Hey, 10. I'm 10. Look at my arms. That is not as long as yours. Yours are fully stretched. Where is he, Purple?
He's that way. I know it, he's that way.
No.
Oh my god, frick him.
Dude, Purple's dead. Purple's dead.
Oh my god.
I'm just walking down. No. Oh my god. No, he went to me. I will be. You don't want to catch these hands. Do you want to find me? You don't want to catch these hands.
Run, run.
What's up, guys? Oh, Rachel, no.
Go, 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 go.
I'm doing Monkey Marathon level 1, playing with my friends. Purple, he's going crazy. Where's he at?
Oh my god. Bro, frick. My arms hurt.
Grimace, TT. Hey guys, stay here. Stay here. You gotta go AFK. I'll protect you.
I'll protect you. You heard it.
Why did it see him?
It's a beautiful day, guys. We're just walking around.
Never mind. I'm not gonna go.
Purple.
Ow, I hit my wall. Okay, I'm gonna cut this part here. I had to breathe for a little bit.
Hey, dog. My God. Blood's playing on PC. Yeah, he don't bite. Dude, where's the intro?
Bro, hurry, come over, bro. You're gonna.
No.
No,
Why died?
wait.
Bro, how do you die on this level? So easy.
He's new.
to die.
He told me he's new.
If you turn the corner, you're dead.
I already am recording. I'm recording right now.
I'm recording too. I'm recording.
You're tan, aren't you?
Oh no, you're right there. He's right there. Dude, he's right there.
I just saw an arm.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Where are you?
My headset's about to die.
Oh no.
My headset's about to die. Tell
Okay.
my story.
Okay,
tell
I'll
my
tell your
story.
bro.
I'm still in this level? What the fuck? Wait, guys, did I join the right lobby? Yeah,
Wait, what the frick? What are all these kids? Wait, hold up. I'm going to save some. What the frick? Who are all these kids? What the frick?
Tan invited kids. Tan invited kids.
Look, you can watch them. The level 1 monster enable TV.
Wow.
This camera is
Hey,
very
you better shut your... Hey, Blue, you better shut
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Oh my
What did
god.
you say? Yeah, you better run.
Ooh, Joel's so fat, bruh. She can't fit in her own car. Blue, you're the wrong person.
One time, I stuck on a Santa sleigh when he was delivering presents. I must be real with you. He sure does have issues going down those chimneys.
You better leave the server. Leave the server.
Me?
Leave.
Why?
Bro, it's only me and you doing monkey marathon. No one else.
You weren't in here originally. This was
There
our
is.
code that we were making a YouTube
Yeah, I just
video.
saw
No,
it.
actually, I was. Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you?
Go, go.
Can we just do a monkey marathon, please?
Wait, right here. I want to turn right. I want to turn right. Oh no. Fucking trouble.
Just let me add you real quick.
He's not coming. He's coming this way.
I'm subscribed to your freaking YouTube channel. So shut up. Who are you? Bro, he's talking shit to a fucking supporter. How do you get the elf? Not you, but that guy. How do you get the elf? How do you get the elf?
Bro, my controller's
You gotta buy
bugging.
that nigga on Facebook. That ain't me. That ain't me. No way. Yo, Dribbly, yo, can I be a part of this video, bro? Soccer, man.
Oh, frick.
Yo,
Oh, he
this
turned
is a
around. He
video
turned
again,
around.
bro. Doing monkey marathon with a bunch of strangers.
Scared. They're always
That's a
afraid.
good video, bro. Right there. That's Purple's idea. Mama.
They're always afraid.
Yo, guys, we better hop in camp. See the level 1 monster. I'm out. Mario. Yo, Zero. Hey,
He's stuck. No, bro, he's gonna come at you. He's gonna come at you. You were the mistake. Oh, freak.
Where is he? He's over
Bro,
here.
he like teleported or something.
Back in the North Pole, I remember when Santa just started out.
He's not down there.
Add me at Lester 54321, bro.
We're good.
I'll show you how to spell that
good,
shit.
Who's ready for some monkey marathon?
L.
We're already doing monkey marathon.
Hold on.
That's it, guys. I can do no more.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this part. Oh, frick. Oh, frick.
He's right behind you. You better run. You better run.
Run, Blue, run.
I was trying to sync the video. I was trying to sync it. That's what you do, right?
Yeah.
Sync the video. But I can't delete from my phone. Like, I have so much.
Frick. I got stuck.
View in your gallery MetaQuest app. Okay, it's synced. I just need CapCut. No, how did I die?
Bro, he's too close. The yacht is too close.
Listen, guys, we're going to our neighborhood. No. I got stuck.
Ow, I hit my chair. Frick.
Dude, he's
Frick. I hit my chair, dude. Frick. Okay.
go. Let's go. Dude, he's coming for me.
Bro, this is inappropriate. Hold up. I'm at that little hallway area. Hey, bro.
go. Watch this, big arms. Big arms getting more lead.
Oh, what the frick? I suck. I suck. I fuck.
I died too. I died. He's going.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna cut this part here. Enjoyed this video with me playing with my friends in Big Scary. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
We'll